So this is a quick tutorial on how to use the Desmos graphing calculator that you will be using for this lesson. So when you click on that blue link for Desmos in both of those directions for the transformations of your quadratic functions, you'll come to this screen, and all you have to do is click Launch Calculator. So you will see the graph right here. You will see functions that you can use with the numbers, with inequality signs, with your variables, as well as other functions that you will learn later on in your math career. But right here is where you'll input your graph. So it's already highlighted, and all you have to do is click on it and then start typing. Now you can use the variables down here, or you can just type straight from your computer, and I'll just do that. So I'll click y equals x, and then I'm going to click my caret, which is also the 6 key, so shift 6, and that creates an exponent. I'm going to put a 2 because you're trying to put our parent graph. And so you'll see right here is the color of that graph, and you'll see your parabola shaped red graph right here. And that's your first one you're going to graph always for both directions. Now to go start adding those extra graphs that I have in the directions for you to put, you click right here for the plus sign. It will say add item, and you always put expression. And again, I'll go from down here now, and I'll click y equals x squared plus, and we'll just do 4. And now you can see this graph right here is blue, and you can see the different one right up here. You can highlight those gray points, and those are main points that have integer numbers, not fraction ones. And so you're going to use those points as well as just the look of these graphs to try and compare them in this assignment. And that is how you're going to use Desmos. If you'd like to see the vertex form, I can also do that as well, where I'll put y equals, and again you just click some parentheses, x minus 2, and then I'm going to put my arrow key outside the parentheses, and then squared, and again same shape but a different form. And so you can just use your keyboard if you're comfortable with that, or you can use the keys down here. Again, you can click this for the squared part, or you can click shift 6, and that will also create an exponent for your parabola. So your final assignment will end up having graphs like this for you to compare. And then for what you are turning into me is a screencast, which is exactly what I'm doing right now, where I am working on Desmos and talking at the same time. So you're going to be doing that, where you're going to graph things, talk about how you're graphing them, and then you're going to explain to me in the screencast what differences you see, what similarities, and that is all you're going to be turning into me at the end of this lesson. So I hope this was comfortable. Feel free to email me if you have any other questions, and have fun using Desmos.